Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to open structure settings in Elementor. As you can see here on my screen, I'm just creating a new web page of my website using Elementor. Right now I just want to make some changes or change the layout of the structure of this particular web page. Then how I can find that structure setting option and how I can open the structure of this particular web page. So as you can see, there is a black header line just above the screen. Right, you just need to move your cursor in the top right corner, and here you will find a layer kind of icon having structure. Right, this particular layer kind of icon is of structure. You just need to click on that, and structure settings will be opened in front of you. Right now you can simply change the layout of the structure. You can simply move this second section to the third section. You can simply select the second section and drag and drop it to the third position, so that particular thing will happen. Right, so this is how you can open structured settings in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.